You know that friend who always ducks out of photos? The one who suddenly needs the bathroom when cameras appear? Most people think it's about vanity or low self-esteem. But psychologists recently discovered something far more unsettling, and it has nothing to do with how attractive someone actually is. In fact, some of the most confident people experience this exact phenomenon. And once you understand what's really happening in their brain during that split second before a photo, you'll never look at group pictures the same way again. Here's where it gets strange. When researchers at UCLA studied people's reactions to being photographed, they found something unexpected. The discomfort doesn't start when someone sees a bad photo of themselves, it starts the moment they know a camera is pointed at them. Something shifts in their nervous system immediately. Their pupils dilate. Heart rate spikes. But why? They're not in danger. It's just a camera. The answer lies in what psychologists call embodied identity collapse. Stay with me here, because this is fascinating. Every day, you experience yourself from the inside, through sensations, thoughts, feelings. You never actually see your own face moving, laughing, or talking in real time. Your identity exists as a felt experience, not a visual one. But photographs do something brutal. They freeze you into a single external image that other people will judge. And your brain knows those people aren't seeing what you feel like inside, they're seeing a flat, frozen version that you barely recognize. A 2019 study in the Journal of Social Psychology found that photo-averse people scored exceptionally high in something called self-other differentiation awareness. Translation: they're acutely aware of the gap between their internal experience and how others perceive them. When a camera appears, that gap becomes a chasm. They're not worried about being ugly, they're experiencing an identity crisis in real time. But here's the twist nobody talks about. The same study found these people often have higher emotional intelligence than photo-comfortable people. They're more attuned to how perception works, how context changes meaning, how a single frozen moment can misrepresent an entire personality. They're not insecure, they're hyper-aware of something the rest of us ignore: photographs lie. They capture a millisecond and pretend it's the truth. Dr. Sarah Blackwell, a clinical psychologist specializing in self-perception, puts it bluntly: camera-averse individuals aren't rejecting their appearance, they're rejecting the reduction of their complex, living identity into a consumable image. They feel the loss of control. The loss of narrative. The vulnerability of being permanently misunderstood. So next time someone dodges your camera, remember, they're not hiding from how they look. They're protecting something deeper. Their sense of self that can't be captured in pixels.